So in this session we are going to see another number system conversion, which is from octal to binary number system. Also in the later session we can see how to convert again, get back to the binary to octal number system. So see here, what we need to do here, we have to convert base 8 to the base 2. So mainly we need to know what is the relationship between these two bases. First we start the thing octal to binary, we should know the relationship between these two radix or bases. So this is actually 2 to the power 3 and this is 2. We need to convert a base of 2 to the 3 to the 2. So what you need to do here, you need to develop a table which is actually octal to binary conversion table. Okay, the base is of 2 to the 3. Okay, so the maximum number is 2 to the 3. So what will be the base of the binary over here? The base of the binary must be less than the number 2 to the 3. So which will be 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2. Okay, so this will be 4, 2 and 1 will be the weight of the number. So it will be mainly the octal number will be converted to the binary, requires 3 digits of this weight. Okay, so see here, as we know that the octal number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the equivalent binary number? So 0, 0, 0, 0. For 1, here it is 1. So you can put 1 here, other places 0. These are the weight of the binary number. That's why wherever the weight is there, you just put that 1 and other places 0. So 2, where is 2? 1, 0, 0. Next 3, 3 means 2 plus 1 is 3. So 1, 1, other place 0. Next 4, 4 means 1, other 2 places 0. Next 5 means 1, 0, 1. 6 means 1, 1, 0. 7 means 1, 1. This is the conversion table from octal to the binary. We can use this conversion table to convert octal number system into the binary number system. So we'll see some of the examples so that you can understand better way. So what you need to do here, example 64 base 8, you need to convert to the binary number. So what you have to do, each, as you know that each octal number is converted to binary, then it will become 3 binary bits. So each equivalent octal number you have to convert to the weighted binary digits. So 6, what is the weighted binary value of from octal to binary? You have to see the conversion table, you can write down. Okay, next 4, 1, 0, 0. Then what will be my answer for 64 base 8? Nothing else, just combinedly write down. So this is my 64 base 8 to the binary. So again, another example, 123.32 base 8 to binary equivalent. So what you need to do, as you know that each individual octal is equivalent to 3 binary bits. So 1, which is 001, 2, 010, 3, 011, point 3, 011, 2, 010. So this is the equivalent binary. Okay, you all understand? Next thing is another example. Let's say we'll take another example, 17 octal to binary. Okay, again you have to see the equivalent octal to binary. 1 is 0, 0, 1, 3 digits of binary. Then 7 is 1, 1, 1. So this is the binary equivalent of 17 base 8. Then again, so next one is you have to convert binary number system to octal number system. What you need to do in this way? Let's say 101101.01 binary to the octal number system. As you know that now we are converting a binary number system to the octal number system. So what you need to do, the first step is, as you know that 3 binary digits is equivalent to 1 octal digit. So take from the left, if you are taking from point, the left side grouping, take 3. Next, take 3 and write down the equivalent octal number of this 3 binary digit. 101 it is 5, 101 it is 5. Now point, so this is only 2 digits. Now what you have to do, you require 3 digits to convert the binary to the octal number. So you can pad a 0 after point. If you are putting right hand side, there is no change in the meaning of the number. So 0, 1, 0. Now you can group it right side. After point, it's right side. So what will be the thing? 0, 1, 0 is 2. So 55.2 right side. Okay. Now we'll take one more example here. 1011.1. This binary to the octal. So what you need to do? You have to start from the point left side. Group from the left side. Each 3 binary digit group into 1 to get the 1 octal number. Next, here only 1 binary digit is present after grouping 3. So what you need to do? You have to pad 2 zeros. So which will not change anything for my given binary number. Again you group that 2. Then here only 1 binary digit is available. So you can pad 2 zeros. Okay. So which will not change anything to my binary digit and take the grouping. Okay. Right side. So this will be 0011, 0113, 0.100 is 4. Okay. So this is the way you can convert a binary number into octal number system. One more example. 1111.11 binary into the octal number system. So what you need to do? Again take the grouping 3. Next pad 2 zeros here. Okay. And take left grouping again. So this will be 1 and this will be 7 point. Here only 2 numbers, you can pad a 0 here. So you can take grouping right side. So it will be 6, 17.6. This is the way you can convert a binary number system into the octal number system. Thank you.